It's an age-old story, working somewhere and thinking, knowing you could do it better. But how many have the courage and confidence to do just that? In 2002, 2 registered nurses made that bold move and founded Advanced Nursing Concepts. What started out as a home health provider has grown into the area's only provider of 3 specific and complementary service lines: home health, outpatient therapy, and private duty services. And if you don't recognize the name, you'll probably recognize their cars.
Advanced Nursing Concepts was started by myself and another registered nurse in 2002. We'd done home health for many other companies ourselves and decided that we could do it better. So we started the company, and 13 years later, we're now a privately held company, and still with the same vision to be able to provide superior quality to the patients of Lake Sumter, Marion, and Citrus County. Advanced Nursing Concepts is the only agency in Lake and Sumter County that can provide home health, outpatient, and private duty services under one umbrella. Having 3 service lines is a benefit to the patients because they're served by a company that has the 3 divisions that are all under the same vision, the same structure, the same leadership direction. Their information is held if they start in the home health division and they are now transferred to the outpatient therapy division. That information goes from one office to another. It's not going from one company to another where you lose translation, you lose what happened. We all have access to the same information, and we all now know that patient's history. They don't have to walk in and tell their story 14 different times to 14 different people, which is cumbersome for patients. Our patients have such a positive experience when they come to our agency that should they need home health again, they will return to our agency by choice. Outpatient therapy is usually a progression of either coming from another service line, home health or say rehab, or a patient has had a general decline in their condition, but they're not confined to their home. We are different in the fact that we have gone out and picked our staff members and assembled a team of therapists who have well over 150 years of experience combined amongst them. Private duty is non-medical, housekeeping, groceries, taking people to the doctor's office, helping them run errands. Socialization is a big thing. If you have a wife or a husband who's a primary caregiver who are now confined to the home with their spouse and they need respite, they need to be able to get out and get their hair done or just get a break from the home to get out and keep their mental health up. When you're looking for a home health provider as a patient or as a family member looking for a home health benefit, you want to be asking what resources does that agency bring to the table. Do they bring not only the resources I may need today, do they have the ability to provide for resources that I might not even know that I need? Again, that's one of the reasons why we've established all 3 lines to be able to take care of that patient no matter what happens to them. They may need home health today. 3 weeks from now, they may need private duty or outpatient therapy. I attribute Advanced Nursing Concepts longevity to the fact that our vision is the same today as it was almost 12 years ago when we started the company. But that vision grows with the fact that when our employees come into our organization, they're given that vision from the top down. One of our core training principles is to say that our staff are to treat their patients like they would want their family member treated. And they live it every day. An overwhelming sense of pride, an overwhelming sense of knowing that I have created something that is a benefit to the community, a benefit to my employees, a benefit to patients, their family members. So it's just thankfulness and really ultimately feeling very blessed.
Advanced Nursing Concepts has been a 4-time back-to-back winner of the Home Care Elite Award.